Hey guys, today I got a really nice one here. It's a ARE Z2. Fits the 19 to 24 Ram, new body style, the 5.7 bed. It's PSC silver, billet, I guess is what they call it. This one's really nice. It's a really high-end piece from ARE. This one probably, I think I looked it up, it was around $4,800 to $5,000 new. This one has hardly nothing wrong with it. You can go through here and look at it. There's almost nothing wrong on this top at all. Great shape all the way through here. Top looks good. Top edge looks really nice. Front edge, the front here, it's in great condition. The bottom edge has no damage on it. It was taken right off the truck. It really wasn't even on the truck very long at all. Bottom edge is in perfect shape all the way through here. No damage on that. It does have the Z2 glass with the optional vented window in there. So the Z2 has automotive urethane glued in glass, so it's supposed to eliminate leakage. Basically the same way you put a windshield in a vehicle now, that's how the side windows are put in here. Front edge is in really good shape. It does have one small scratch right there on this edge. Through here is in good shape. The top and the top edge is really good condition, no damage at all. And then a small chip right there on the corner. Probably bumped into the cap, the truck that it was on before. Bottom edge looks really good. No damage on this at all. Does have a sliding window in the front, so it slides open, so you can access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap. And you close that back up and seal that up. Little tiny, little bitty nick. You can almost barely see it there on the corner of this thing. A little tiny nick. It's probably the worst of this top. No damage through here at all. There's some dirt right there. There you go. Top and the top edge on this, no damage at all. No damage through the side here. The bottom edge has no damage on it. It's never been set down on the ground, which is usually what chews up these edges. At least as far as I know, it's not been set on the ground. No damage at all on this bottom edge. Same thing on this side window. Has the glued in urethane windows with the vented window. We'll look at that here in a second. Has a frameless back door, locking rear door. Does have a small nick right there, and the brake light there, and a small nick right there, and the brake light there. That's all I found on this. Nothing that anybody would even see. Open that up. Inside is carpeted. Inside here. Sliding window is a tilt-in slider, so let's put this lever down here. This one down here allows you to open this window up. That way you can clean the back of this window here, front of this window here, and then the back of the truck cab window there. And then you can flip that back up, and that seals it back up. So you can clean that all up and keep that clean, keep the dirt out of there. The window here is screened here, and this has a latch lever here that you pull open, and then you can push that out like that. That opens the window up for ventilation on the glass. It is screened. There it is. You see the ventilation there. Screens are in good shape. No damage on the screen there. Then you flip that back and latch it like so. Same on this side, no holes in the screen. Opens up, does the same exact thing. Opens for ventilation there. Pull that back shut, latch it down. Does have the fuse box. The cover is missing off the fuse box. The wiring that goes from here down is missing. But you can pick that up at probably an ARE dealer. There's a serial number there. This is Z1 for a Dodge Ram 1500 crew cab, the 5.7 bed. I'm sorry, the Z2 for a 21. Man, eyes are getting bad. It's built specifically for a 21 Dodge Ram, so that makes the 19 to 24 body style. Dodge Ram 1500 crew cab, 6.7 or 67-inch bed, 5.7 Z2. It's PSC billet metallic. Yeah, I said it was specifically built for the 21, but it fits that body style. It is wired for keyless entry. You can see the keyless entry wire runs through here. You'd have to pick that wiring up there. Obviously, it's wired up for it. It works all the way probably to this fuse box, but the wiring is missing from the fuse box, so you'd have to be wired up for that, but it wouldn't be that big a deal to make the keyless entry. So this is already starts out at like $4,300 as a base model. It has the upgrade side windows in it. It does have the keyless entry option. So it has the tilt-in front slider. So most of those options are going to put this thing up in the $5,000 range new. So you get an opportunity to get a really nice high-end cap for a good price. So there it is. It's a cab high fiberglass Z2 series. Fits the 19 to 24 Dodge Ram new body style crew cab with the 5.7 bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, waiting for a certain model to come in, a certain style, color to come in, a certain cap, what have you, for your truck, you'll want to subscribe below to keep up to date on the inventory that comes in. We upload to YouTube at our website as soon as the inventory comes in, so that'll keep you up to date there. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.